Hey guys, it's me, Fire Alarm 19122, and welcome back to another video. We've got a box here. Something very special is inside of it, so let's go ahead and open this thing. So I know you're not supposed to cut toward yourself, but yeah, it's fine. This is a controlled environment. I got this for pretty good. This is pretty rare-ish pole station. I don't see these very often. I think I've only ever seen these pole stations once in the field at a resort or something. But you can see there's another package. Here's the actual pole station itself. As you can see by the title, it's a Gamewell Sentry. Seller states that it's an addressable pole station, but there, I didn't happen to see any type of addressable module on the back of this, so yeah, that seems to work. Sorry about the background noise. There's a thunderstorm going on right now, but you know, not much you can really do about that. So, here is the pole station. It is a Gamewell Sentry. As you can see, Gamewell Sentry. It says there's a bad switch on the back of this thing, but I don't know if that's true or not. So there's the top of it. Pulls just like this. As you can see, it's activated. Takes a small little, I think a screwdriver or something, or what. I don't know what it takes, but I've got this little flathead right here, so we'll see if this opens up. Yeah, this is what it takes. So as you can see, that's the inside. And these pole stations are similar to 270 SPOs, where they reset like a 270 SPO, where you flip the switch down and then push the lever back up. And then it's like a manual pull station. So I like to call these the lollipop pull stations because the weird handle in the middle. But this is a very nice pull station. It's a lot smaller than what I was expecting. I'll give you another good look at what the M46-23 pull station. I don't see where it would be addressable, so I guess that's false advertising. All I know about this pole station is that it's conventional and was probably installed in a building somewhere in Florida, as that's where it came from. But this thing's really cool. I'm really happy to have it in my collection. And yeah, one more thing too, this also takes a brake rod too, so you can put a brake rod in there. I don't know if you can see a little crack right there. There's a little divot there. That's how you put a brake rod in. Just slide it through. But yeah, these are very cool pull stations, and I'm really excited to have one now in my collection. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.